Have you ever thought about making money from the comfort of your home? Well, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through a variety of innovative and realistic ways to make money from home beyond the traditional methods you've likely already heard of. So sit back, relax, and explore these unique opportunities to generate income without leaving your house. Firstly, consider becoming a virtual assistant. This involves providing various services to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. From managing social media accounts and responding to emails, to scheduling appointments and managing projects, the role of a virtual assistant is as diverse as it is flexible. Next, have you ever thought about teaching or tutoring online? With the rise of online learning platforms, there's an increasing demand for online tutors in a wide range of subjects. You don't necessarily need formal qualifications, just a good understanding of your subject matter and the ability to explain it clearly. Thirdly, consider selling your skills as a freelancer. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or digital marketer, there's a market for your skills. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients and start earning. Another innovative way to make money from home is by renting out your unused space. If you have an extra room, a garage, or even a parking spot that you don't use, consider renting it out. Websites like Airbnb, JustPark, and Spacer make it easy to list your space and start earning. Lastly, consider becoming an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can choose to promote products that align with your interests or expertise, and the earning potential is virtually unlimited. So there you have it, 5 innovative and realistic ways to make money from home. To recap, 1. Become a virtual assistant and provide services to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Teach or tutor online in a subject you're knowledgeable about. Sell your skills as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Rent out your unused space on websites like Airbnb, JustPark, and Spacer. Become an affiliate marketer and earn commission on sales made through your referral link. Each of these methods offers the potential to generate a significant income from the comfort of your own home. So why not give one a try? You might just find your new favorite way to make money.